Hey students, here's our 5 fast things for today. Number 1, in case you didn't notice, we didn't have class today. I've been at Sage testing. I'm in the office. These are all your teachers' pictures on the wall behind me. I'll do a little show of them on my Instagram stories, so check it out. Number 2, Wednesday, tomorrow will be a short lesson, and then we're going to have our assembly at 2 o'clock for the Hamilton performances. So come support your fellow students, aka the Hamsters. Some of us will be here in the office live performing, and the press might even be here to interview us. So that's going to be exciting. Number 3, Thursday and Friday will be video lessons and exit tickets. So make sure you watch the video I send out to you and do the exit tickets. I'm taking these 2 days off to finish remodeling my basement that is literally a hole in the dirt right now. So wish me luck. Next week, I have 3 days of sage testing. So even though you guys get out of sage testing, I do not. But again, we'll have class on Monday, and then Tuesday through Thursday I'll be at Sage, and I will send you videos and exit tickets that are required for attendance. So make sure you uh, take a look at those. They will be shorter than regular classes because obviously there's not the interaction between us that takes a full hour. But I'll try to make them fun and definitely useful and full of good information. And finally, number 5, last but not least, prom is coming up April 27th, and re-registration. They're sort of combined into an announcements category for today's 5 fast things. For details and other announcements, check my Instagram account at Bellamy UTVA or the high school Instagram account at UTVAHS. Have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.